everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another video. I haven't made a video on this channel in a while, but I'm back again for another one, y'all. I would like to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And I want to say what's up to the people who've been here with me for a while now. Thank you for always coming back to my channel and checking my videos out. Also, don't forget to watch my entire video. It helps my channel. I really appreciate it. Leave me some comments and don't forget to thumbs up the video. Okay, let's get started. Now, I didn't even know that this beverage was even out. I just happened to be strolling through Instagram and I just so happened to see it. It's the Jack Daniels, the Tennessee Apple. Tennessee Apple by Jack Daniels. I didn't even know this was out. And I think it's been out for about a month now. So, you know, your girl had to try it to see what's up with it. Also, I bought a little small bottle of the Crown Royal Apple, or Apple Crown Royal. I used to have a big bottle of this and I did not repurchase it because I really don't like it. I don't know. This just wasn't my pick. It was okay, but not my favorite. I think the peach Crown Royal is the best. After the peach, I would have to say the caramel. So that's the reason why I just bought a little one to kind of compare the two. So we're gonna do a knockout or bang out or whatever you want to call it, Crown versus Jack Daniels, and let's see which one is the best. And I think this Crown Royal been out for a couple of years now, the Apple Crown. So if you into this whole apple flavor, here you go. Okay, we're gonna let's just check out the bottle. As you see, it's white and the writing looks like a cream or a off-white color, trimmed and like lined in gold. Really nice labeling. Really nice. Really like the way the bottle looks. I'm not a huge fan of Jack Daniels. I don't even think I've ever tried the regular Jack Daniels. We went camping a couple of weeks and I bought some of the honey Jack Daniels, and it was just okay. I'm used to drinking that American honey, so yeah. Let me figure out how to open this thing. Okay, Jack Daniels, y'all gonna have to make it a little easier. Oh no, okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Pop that off. Screw cap. Let's check out the smell. Wow. It kind of got that Jolly Rancher smell to it. Okay, let's go ahead and pour it up because we ain't gonna drag this video out. Y'all came to see my opinion on this particular this drink, so we ain't gonna drag the video out. We're gonna get straight into it. Go for the drink. Okay, I don't want to pour too much because I still got to taste the other one. Okay, here we go. That amber color, warm brown caramel looking color. Like I said, the smell is more like a Jolly Rancher type of smell. I got a feeling this is going to burn a little bit. It's going to have that kickback. I hope it don't, and I hope it's real smooth, but I got a feeling it's going to have that kick. Whoa, burnt my nose. Actually, it don't have that kick. It's actually really smooth. I don't really taste a lot of apple. I don't really taste a lot of apple. And this is just my opinion. You know, some people probably think it tastes like a burst of apple. Let's get another taste. I cannot taste the apple in this. Like I said, it's very smooth. Goes down really easy. You get a little burn, but not a lot. I could just a hint of apple. This is not my favorite. I think I'm just not a fan of apple whiskey. Okay, now I'm gonna compare it to the Crown apple. Okay, here we go. Just a little bit. And I already drank a little water. Crown apple. By far, Crown apple is way better. Miles better. Smoother, sweeter. You get that apple flavor. This one is really good. But I could tell you, if you're the type that you don't like a sweet whiskey, then you might not like the Crown. If you like more of a more mild, not as sweet, then go for the Jack Daniels. But this one, this Crown is way sweeter. Yes. They both smell the same, but the flavor is different. This one, and I know this is a video on Jack Daniels, but like I said, I wanted to compare the two. I used to have this, but it wasn't my favorite, so I didn't repurchase it. So that's the reason why I got the little one. But if I was having a party and somebody said, okay, buy some apple whiskey, I would go for the Crown versus this. I just might not be a huge fan of Jack Daniels. I don't know, because I own this one. This is good, and we actually took this camping. That's the reason why it's almost, well, not gone, but it's halfway. This was just okay for me. I'm gonna make a video on this one, comparing all of the honey whiskeys that's out. Well, not all of them, but some of them. So my opinion on this is Jack Daniel versus Crown Royal apple. Crown apple. Hands down, Crown apple. I'm sorry. Crown apple takes this one. Yes. Yes. They both sweet, don't get me wrong. But to me, this one just has more flavor over this one. Okay, and also they're both 70 proof, I believe. This writing is so daggone little, I can't even see it. But I'll put it close so y'all can see it if you can make it out. I believe both is 70 proof. This one is infused whiskey, and this is blended with an apple liquor. So I'm not sure if that plays a big part on the flavor. You know, I don't know, because to me this whole blended liquor is almost like they added some liquor to the whiskey, to the regular Jack Daniel whiskey. And this one seems like the whole process was with apple and whiskey as it aged. It aged together. So maybe that's the reason why you really get that apple flavor, because the whole process was aged with the apples. Now, I could just be making this stuff up. I don't know. I'm just saying. If y'all know that, leave that at the bottom if you actually know if I'm right or wrong or whatever. Leave that at the bottom. So let me know what's y'all favorite. Do y'all go for the Crown apple or do y'all go for the Tennessee apple? Crown or Tennessee? Put that down at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, and leave me some comments at the bottom. I'll see y'all in the next one. Be safe. Peace.